guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel, Salsa and Bachata moves. My name is Alexandros and I'm from the Island of Cyprus. 700,000 people. Yes, not even a million. I don't know why, but I just wanted to say that. Now, I'm making this video to let you know that YouTube has offered me something beautiful. It used to be only for if you have 100,000 subscribers, but for some reason they released that to me. It is called the join button right under my video or in my channel next to subscribe. The way the design is today anyway. You will see a blue button that says join. When you click join, you will see another video of me explaining you in very fast detail. This video is to let you know about this new thing, and it is actually join membership in my channel. There are different levels of pricing that you can buy, which is $1.99, $3.99 and $4.99, and each one comes with different perks. This helps me slowly, we have in Cyprus a saying that says, bean by bean inside the bag will finally full up. Okay, so I will be getting those monthly subscriptions. Yes, they are monthly subscriptions, not a one-time thing. It's very small amounts, so you can help me gather up all the cash flow that's necessary to get a better camera. For example, this camera is 6 years old, and I'm doing it at daytime with full light and open windows, and this is the quality that I get, which is quite nice, but I believe I can get a better one, especially for the moves. I want to have a special tripod that can film on top of us so you can see the different angles, especially for the beginner courses that I'm going to be doing now. I want a microphone so you don't hear all this background noise, a wireless microphone, special lighting which cost over 200 euros, and by you hitting that join button, you're going to help me make this channel even better. I even have more ideas where I want to have a huge blue or green screen where I can remove the background and put something nice like Paris or put Italy in the background and do it, the lesson like I'm doing it there. So I want to do a lot of things, not just keep on making combinations. Yes, I have almost 400 videos, combinations, and teaching different things, different styles, but I'm just getting warmed up, guys. So I really could use your help to make this channel better, and this is the join button. I will also be mentioning some of the perks. What you get with the $1.99 is that you join the group on Facebook that I will create, which would be secret, where we can have chats there, questions, and you also get badges every month, a new badge, the longer you stay with me. You also get some private emojis, which it's YouTube allowed to put my face in different positions with the tongue out, and when you put in messages with those emojis, I immediately know you're one of my member, and I can't reply to all the messages, but those I will definitely reply for your support, and it's actually quite fun. The second membership of $3.99, you join a different secret group where I will be posting pre-releases. Sometimes I upload even 5 days before I release a video, because I need to have it there to post it instead of 4 videos, only 2 videos. And I also put keywords, description, more than 2,000 characters. I also make the thumbnail. I watch the video and I put info cards, end card, and screen cards, and a few other things about sharing and getting everything ready. So before I even do all that, I will send you the video already. And the third perk for $4.99, you get all the previous mentioned perks, and you will also be getting once a week in the messenger. I think my guitar is falling. Come over here. And you'll also be getting, I say you'll also be getting, and maybe I should keep my day job. Okay, so you will getting a messenger of that group, private one-on-one talk with me. We can talk about dance, we can talk about the next lessons you would like, or we can just talk about life. How are you doing? How am I doing? The guitar is falling again. I don't care, I'll keep this blooper in. Jesus. So I'm very excited. I don't know if it shows in my face because we're staying home all day, and with the situation of where now that I'm making this video, we are only quarantined with COVID virus. attacking everyone. Be very careful, be very healthy, but we still have to keep on living. My dance school is closed, hasn't seen a student for over 2 months, and this is also another way to help, that I will be taking that donations, as I would like to call them, not just memberships, because they really are donations, and I will put them aside even through these hard times, so I can gather up and get the proper equipment and give you a wonderful YouTube channel that you would like to visit, sometimes even daily, to watch and learn. Guys, thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you on the other side. That sounded dark. Not on the other side, I'm an angel, on the other side of the membership. See ya.